Every time you open a new chat with Claude, the system starts with zero context. You have to type out the same explanations of your writing style, your business goals, and your current project before getting to work. Look at this split screen. On the left is the standard way people use AI, a massive wall of prompt text trying to force context. On the right, the exact same output is generated by typing 3 simple words into a command box. You bypass manual prompting entirely by building a digital clone. Instead of treating the AI like a blank slate, you configure a persistent workspace that already knows how you think. To set this up, you only need 3 things: an active Claude account, a plain text editor, and workflow tools like Notion. Shifting your approach from manual prompting to system building eliminates the daily friction of starting from scratch. You create a scalable extension of yourself that gets right to work. Step 1 happens completely outside of your browser. Open a basic text editor on your computer. You are going to write a file called About Me. This file acts as a structural blueprint of your identity, providing the AI with the core data it needs to represent you accurately. This file maps out 5 distinct categories: core identity, exact profession, decision-making frameworks, natural writing style, and strict boundaries. Save this with a .md extension so the AI reads it as a foundational system document. Next, create CLAUDE.md, acting as your behavioral instruction layer. This file dictates the standing rules that apply to every task you run. Once you define your formatting rules and workflow preferences here, you never have to repeat them to the AI. Separating your static identity from your behavioral instructions creates a reliable baseline for the AI. Claude stops guessing your intent because you have already defined the parameters of the task. Standard chat windows are temporary. As soon as you close them, the AI forgets the context of your previous work. To fix this, you need to build long-term memory. On the Claude dashboard, navigate away from the chat screen and click the highlighted Projects tab. A project acts as a persistent second brain. Inside this new project workspace, upload the about-me and CLAUDE.md files you just created, so they serve as the core logic for the environment. Now expand the system's reach by linking external productivity tools to your Claude project, connecting Google Drive, Notion, and Slack. With these active, the AI automatically pulls context from live documents or threads, skipping manual file uploads. Housing your foundational files inside a connected project transforms your AI setup into an operational partner that inherently understands what you are working on. The next step is to load the environment with reusable skills. These are custom single-command workflows permanently housed inside your project. By typing a custom shorthand like /weekly report into this interface, the system instantly generates a fully formatted, multi-section business document right below it. This instant execution works because all the rules, tone, and formatting requirements were already preloaded in your instruction layer. It requires 0 new manual prompts from you to run. To push this even further, connect your internal Claude system to an external automation trigger like Zapier. This timeline illustrates how you establish a recurring schedule. You set a trigger for Friday at 5 p.m., which tells the system to initiate tasks automatically without any human input. While you work on other things, the AI gathers data in the background, writes the recurring deliverable, and sends it out. Moving from manual shorthand commands to scheduled automation offloads the initial drafting phase to the system. This creates operational leverage by letting the AI handle the repetitive setup while you focus on final review. Take a look at this workspace. You open your computer to find completed competitor reports and client updates already filed and timestamped, generated without a single manual prompt that day. You have successfully mapped your identity into a text file, established a persistent memory environment, integrated your external tools, and automated your recurring outputs. The resulting setup bypasses standard chat interfaces. You now have a persistent, automated engine running your workflows in the background. Check the description below to download the provided Markdown templates, and you can begin building your own digital clone today.